I'm doing front brakes on this Mercedes Sprinter here. Just gonna give you all a quick breakthrough of how to do it all. That way you know how to do it. First off, there's caps that cover your slide bolts. Take your caps off. One down here too. Yep, there you go. And now we can take our slide bolts out. Your slide pins are 6mm hex bolts. I just grabbed a 6mm Allen key and just stuck them in there and broke them loose. And that's going to be how you get your caliper off. And then once we get that off, we can do our bracket and then our rotor. So let's go ahead and get this off. There you go, caliper off. Now we're going to get our pads off and then this bracket off. That bolt there, that bolt down there. And this bracket will come off and then we can get our rotor off. These pads are metal to metal. They're not, no bueno, no bueno. There we go, bracket's off. 221s that hold it in, that's all there is. And then it'll come right off. Now we just need to smack this as hard as we can with a purse and this will come off too. Forgot to mention there's a T30 there. And then you can take this rotor off. Once you take that T30 out, you can get this rotor off. And then we can go ahead and put this new rotor on. Whoa, how'd that get there? That's crazy. Anyways, we'll go ahead and push our caliper back in, clean up our bracket, and throw that all back on there. Boop, there we go, back on there. Put some grease down here so that the wheel doesn't stay stuck on there next time. Now we just throw this wheel on and go back to the other side.